So Michael, I can't quite understand you. So which installation procedures you mentioned, because I think I have installed all the softwares you sent us.
Perfect. Okay, that's good. Mm-hmm. Okay, that was my question. Good. So then you have also the SoundCam to your hand. Then we could start with making a recording in the streaming app. Otherwise, we could maybe start with doing first post-processing in noise spectra with demo data. So this is up to you where you want to start, what is more important to you.
Yeah, we can start with the demo files you send to us, such that you can,
Okay, perfect.
We're working on the same files. So.
Okay, perfect, good. Then I would please you to share your screen so I can see noise spectra, and I would give you some guidance on how to analyze it and what you can do.
你的 screen， 然后我把我的那个关掉，我把我的麦克风关掉，你把你的麦克风开起来和你的喇叭开起来。我的桌面是吧？对，你把你的喇叭跟那个开起来就可以，然后你听吧，我看看。Share screen。要 share 所有的吗？对 ，share 整个 screen。你可以看到吗？我看到一个白的东西。啊？没有。C training。没有看到。没有。哦，我看到了，我自己了。然后你把它。对，然后你把它最小化，然后就没了。啊？现在好像有点问题。因为我现在的时候，它不是让我选一个 Windows 的话，就是这个，要么就这个是这个文件夹，它就不会显示其他的。Intel。哎，可以啊。可以。
Okay, can you see my desktop?
Yes, perfect. Looks good.
你开声音了吗？
你开声音，我已经关掉了。
Okay, if you're ready, then I would please ask you to start the CAE noise inspector.
你把你这个 folder 打开。
是这个吗？
然后桌面。
桌面哪个？
你把那个最小化起来，把那个最小化，省得它在那边跑来跑去。就把这个能看到它头的这个先最小化。对。So which icon you want us to?
CAE noise inspector.
CAE noise。这个左上角，不是这个，你的桌面的左上角这个。开出来没有？
慢慢的开。
呀。
License。
啊，不要紧，问他。
What's the license?
So this is just the information that what kind of license models you have available, and you have all. And the information is that this is a time-based license, so it will expire because this is a free license for you. And when it's expired, you can just send me an email and I can renew it for another year. So this is no problem. So this is just information, so you are aware when it is expiring.
Okay.
Okay, you're missing the configurations. Can you use the task manager to close the software? Just kill it from the task manager. Is that possible?
不行呀。
Right.
There will be a lot of error messages. Please kill it with the task manager.
Task.
No. Task. 打不开呀。
哪一个啊 ？New project.
Just cancel it. We need to close the software anyway. There are configurations missing. These are not installed. Can you just close the software? Then click on Load Project. Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay.
然后你把那个 folder 开出来
Go to your
刚才那个 training 的 folder 开出来，然后它应该有可能有人选择。
Yes, the CAE Noise Inspector config installer. CAE, no, one below. CAE Noise Inspector config installer.
那这个6.0.0上午下面的
是这个啊？
不是在下面，它的下面这个 this one。
This one, yes. Please run it.
More
You
info.
have to click on more info. Yes, run anyway. Yes, install. Just yes to all? Yes to all. Okay, good. Okay. Try again to start the noise inspector.
Try again. Inspector 开起来看一下啊。OK press OK， 然后关掉，好，然后可以了。
Okay, better, perfect, good. Yes, so this is how the noise inspector should always start now. If you start it, you will get the message for your dongle that it's time-based and it will expire a day. And then after that, you are free to use the noise inspector. So we will start that with the demo data I have sent you. So if you click on project new, we can set up a new project. No, just put in a name down there. See on the button, new project name. Just type a name there.
Yeah.
Yes, you can just put in name there. For example, training. Then this is a project manager. Here you can load in data. So if you make a right click on the project name training, make a right click there. No, please go back to where you are. Please click on project manager. And then make a right click on training. Yes, new set. So we call a measurement always a set. And here you can choose a file now. And yes, in this folder, can you please copy the measurement data in this folder? Measurement data you have. can just, if you go to the to your folder where you have downloaded all our data, if you just open it. No. Can you please open the folder where you downloaded our data?
啊，你把一开始 training 的那个整个文件夹看一下。
那个
Yes.
this one
Yes, and make a right click. Yeah, okay.
choose one.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you have loaded in the measurement, and to open it you can make a double click. Please double click on the measurement. Okay.
This one.
Yes. So here you can see the measurement. On the left side you can see the spectrogram of the measurement. On the button you can see some sound data from a microphone, and on the right side there are the configuration for the acoustic video picture we are calculating. So first we need to tell the software which frequency range and time range we want to calculate. So if you go to the spectrogram, you see the crosshair when you're there. Just by holding the left mouse button down, you can now drag and drop a box. So please try to drag and drop a box in the spectrogram.
哪个 box 啊？
你随便拖一块吧。
好吧。
Perfect. Okay. With this box, you have now specified a frequency range for the analysis and a time range. And you can see this information also on the right side. So when we go through the settings, you see on top there is mode, and the mode is now set to picture. Can you see that?
Mode picture. Where?
Yes. A little bit down with the mouse. You almost. No. Left to the picture, to the preview picture, you see there is mode.
Left to the.
On the right side, left to the preview picture.
Right side.
Yes.
Mode 就是这个嘛 ，picture 的左边这个，再往左一点，再往左一点。
Yes, perfect. Right. So this is the mode, and you can select between two modes. One is picture, then you will get a picture only for this time range, and the second one is movie, and there you can create a movie from the data you have selected. Okay.
Okay.
So for the moment we will stay with picture. So please click go back to picture. Okay. And then below mode, we can choose the weighting. So we have linear, A, B, and C weighting. This depends, of course, on the customer and what preferences he have. For us, we can go with linear or A, whatever you like. You can choose the weighting here.
I should choose.
A.
I should choose one.
Yeah, you can choose what. This depends on the customer preference. You can choose whatever you like. Yes. Then the time settings. These correspond to also what you see in the box. So you can also change the box here. So for example, if you change the start time to 1 second, yes, or like this, you see that the time settings are changing. You can also change the numbers here. If you click in the numbers and change it, this will also be reflected.
或者你搞大一点，2。
Yes. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Below that, there's the frequency settings. So this is similar to the time setting. You see the frequencies which were selected by the box. If you change the box, the frequency will be also changed in the field. Or if you change the frequency in the field, this will be also reflected by the box.
有什么？
100、200、500都可以。哎，500，
啊，我换
不要紧，没事。高就高就。
Okay. So this frequency settings is now a narrow band, but what is also available is third octaves and octaves. So if you want to choose that, then you can also go for third octaves or octaves here. So order analysis is something different. This is if you record RPM, or if you're recording a rotational signal, but therefore you need additional hardware. So this is not in the measurement available here. Okay, good. Yes. So because you clicked on order analysis, the frequency settings were discarded. So you have to set it new now. You can just type in numbers, or you select a.
The analysis. 要做什么？
我没仔细听。
When you click on order analysis, then the frequency range is discarded because it's using a takeoff channel for the calculation, but this channel is not available here in this measurement. And so you should not click here in the measurement. This is an additional feature which is not available here with the measurement.
Okay.
When you So when you drag and drop a new box, then a new file is created. So when you look at the top of the window, then you see there's a slider. Now on the right, just above where you are, there's a slider, and you see there's 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So you have created now, meanwhile, 4 acoustic pictures which you want to calculate, because every time you drag and drop a box, there's a new item created. So you can, for example, if you don't want to have so many, you can just click on delete.
你选一个多一点吧，你选个15，然后
只有1、2、3。
啊，它只有3。
对啊。
那你就选3。
Please delete all except one, so we have only one picture. Please delete all acoustic pictures except one.
是1啊。
应该选2吧。Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and so on top you see the slider. You found it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that means these are all pictures. And because you dragged and dropped a box several times, so you should delete these pictures except one. So click on delete, please.
Delete which?
Delete what?
The multiple acoustic pictures you have created. So.
Where?
Yeah. On the right side.
On the right side.
Below the slider bar. Below the slider bar you used.
Below the slider bar.
Yeah, on the right a bit.
那 copy 是吧
？Delete.
Yeah. Delete. Yes. Yes. And again.
Again.
And again. Yes. Okay, yes. See, now we only have one picture again. So this is good because for the moment we just want to make one picture. Okay. Yes, so frequency settings. I think this is clear now. Below frequency settings, there's algorithm. And the algorithm which is selected at the moment is delay and sum FD. Okay, this is okay. We will change to another algorithm in a few seconds. So for the moment, please select delay and sum again. Okay, good.
Shall I turn? No.
Yes, please click on delay and sum. Good. So the region of interest, here you have to specify the distance to the picture. This is, of course, already done before the measurement, but maybe you made a mistake, so you want to correct it. So here it would be possible then to correct the distance. So that here is nothing to change for the moment. You can now just click on OK. Then you see in the project manager that we have already created an acoustic picture now. The name is frame 3 with the time information and the frequency settings. Yes, perfect. The weighting is A. It's delay and sum, and it's OK. So now you can you can click on OK to close that window. Okay. And here you see already the video picture from the measurement. And on the right side, you see the frame with all the information again.
Yeah.
And you see that the status is OK. Yes, right. And now, if you want to see the acoustic picture, you have to click on the calculator button. And then the calculation will be started. The blue calculator button on the right side. Yes, this one. Yes, good. Okay. And now you get the acoustic picture and you see where the sound source is. Okay. And now we have more than one algorithm available in the software. So if you go back to where you can create an acoustic picture, and to go there, you just need to click on the green button here. So on the right side, there's this, yes, click on this. Okay. Yes, then you're coming back into this graph here. And now what we want to do is we want to make another calculation with a different algorithm and see the difference of both algorithms. So first we start with making a copy, and then we will change the algorithm. Yes, this is a copy button, perfect, yes. You can give it a name or just leave the name, very good. And now just change the algorithm. Okay, so if you click on algorithm, the algorithm. Change delay and sum to evop.
What?
The algorithm. The beamforming algorithm. Yes, this one. Yes. And change it to evop.
To what? Which one?
EVOB.
Oh,
this
one.
Yes. Okay. Click on OK, please. And now you see on the right side, there are now two pictures. So the original one and the other one. And you see the one on top, the original one, this is already computed. So if you click on that, yes. So this is the first result with delay and sum. And below that, we have the other result we have calculated now with EVOB. and you see the basics in the result is the same. The same sound source is detected. But what you can do now with delay and sum, for example, please click again on the first one with the delay and sum algorithm.
Click on the first one.
Yes. And now to your left there is the scale, and there is DYN. This is set to 6. This is the dynamic range.
Dynamic range.
Yes. Can you click into that number? Into the 6? Yes. And now you can change that. You can, for example, just changing it by using the arrow keys on your keyboard, or you can type in a number. This is up to you. Can you maybe change that and set it to 15, for example?
15.
Yes, right. And maybe set it to 20. See what the difference looks like. Good, okay. So you see this algorithm, it sees the sound source in the middle, but there is nothing else for this algorithm, okay? And please do the same now for EVOP. So click on the EVOP result. Please click on the second result with EVOP. Yes. And now also change the dynamic range to 20. Okay. Can you see this algorithm because this is an advanced algorithm. It has a higher dynamic range. And this one can also identify the other 2 sound sources clearly. So you can see that delay and sum. This is a very basic algorithm, very robust, but let's say it has some limitations. And then there are advanced algorithms available in the software. For example, EVOB. This is a very good one. We recommend this one to use. Also, and you see that the EVOB algorithm, it has a higher dynamic range, so you can see more sound sources, and it's also more precise. The sources are displayed much clearer. Good. By the way, I see you have set grid on your PC. Is this a PC with an NVIDIA graphic card?
What car?
Hmm? What?
What kind of car do you need?
No, it's okay. We just need to change a setting in the NVIDIA settings control panel, and then the grid will disappear. Can you make a right click on your screen?
Yes.
Just on the desktop, on the right click on the Windows desktop.
Window. Right click. Window. Yeah.
Yes, NVIDIA control panel.
NVIDIA control panel. 中间这个 NVIDIA.
Just image settings, the first one with the 3D settings, I think.
This one?
Yes. Yes, and then use my preference.
You?
Yes, this one. And quality is okay. Click on apply. And I think you have to restart the noise inspector now. Then it should be okay. So if you just close the noise inspector.
他叫你 restart 这个 software.
Yes.
Software.
Yeah.
要不要 save? We need to save.
No, it's automatically saved.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's always saved. No worries.
OK， 关掉。
Ah, better.
better.
Oh.
Okay. Good. Yes, so what we could do now also in Noise Inspector is maybe calculate a video. So if you want to do that, then you can, you need to go back to the TF graph again. So the TF graph is the green button. Click on the green button again, please. On the right side. On the right side.
绿色的那个。
Oh, green.
Yes, this one. Okay. And make a copy, please, again. And now, for example, you can change to movie. Yes. And here you can set up the movie specifications automatic or manual. So the length is how much time will be used for one picture, and the pick rate is how much you will, how much the more or less the overlapping of the data will be. So if you have it with auto and the length is 125 milliseconds, that means that we take 125 milliseconds of sound data into one picture, and the pick rate is also 125 milliseconds. That means that after the first picture, we will move ahead 125 milliseconds, and we'll take the next data block. And that means that here you have then no overlapping, just making 8 pictures a second. So this is fine. We can leave it like this. This is usually a good default settings if you have no specific requirements. So just leave it with auto and click on OK.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yes. And then you see we have the third one now with the specification. And what you notice on the left side is that the symbol has changed. So the first two had the camera, and this third one has a video camera. So this is just to show you that if it's a video or if it's a picture. So what we can do now is just click on the calculator button again, and then it will start to calculate the video. So you see now that we are calculating this video here, and this video consists of 58 pictures. So each picture will be now calculated individually. This takes a bit of time. It depends always on the settings, but here we can wait this time because it won't be so long. You see that the picture is quite calculated quite quickly.
对，他以前就是这样。我们以前问过他为什么是凤山的，他就是还会问。我可以回家用我的电脑试试看看是不是也。9，要去很久啊。
要跑完吗？
你等他说了。这位大哥在这里吗？
一定要这种串联吗？我们自己串联。
我们他是寄一个东西，我们没有这个东西，这个是开不了的，我们没法用。以前是我们是买过整套的设备，有这么一个东西可以用。现在就是我们要确认的话，我们连这个东西，所以我们好多人都，比如说我们俩用之类玩，但是已经忘不知道发生什么事。啊，以前经常玩，但是已经差不多多少年了。 6、7年没玩过。所以怎么样都要，而且去给科大那些人做，怎么样都要官方的人去听他们没办法。以前哪来我还有随便乱算。
So, Ting, do you remember the noise inspector and what you see here? Or is it too long ago?
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
It's
basics
about,
are still
I
the same.
think 6-7 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
It has been a very long time.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, the basics are still the same, but you need a bit of training and get used to it.
Yeah.
So I will show you now, once the calculation is completed, how to control the video and how to play it.
Yeah.
And then this is actually already the most basics from the noise inspector. So I mean, there's much more to find out, but these are the most important basics. That's all. So I would then probably suggest to go to the streaming app and make a recording with your SoundCam if this is possible.
Yeah.
And then we have a recording made on your own, and this recording will be post-processed at Noise Inspector. So certainly we will go back to the Noise Inspector and we'll play there then again.
Okay.
So is that possible? Do you have the SoundCam ready to take a recording then?
I'll check.
Okay.
So Mike, you see we have some.
Yes. So these are measurements made with the SoundCam.
Yeah.
Yes. We cannot use them because the raw data are missing. But if you have the SoundCam and can connect it to the PC, we can make recordings with the SoundCam.
Connect to the PC.
Yes. So we need the SoundCam connected to the PC.
How to connect? Use the
The network.
The network.
Yes.
The network. So you will use the network. How can I? I'll try. This one. Yes.
Yes, and then please, if possible, you need, or you have to connect it through the network to the PC if we want to make recordings. Yes. So this is the video now, and if you want to play the video, on the bottom there's a movie control section, just a bit below your mouse.
Below.
Yes, movie control, yes, and there you can click on start. Yes, and then you can control that. So this was the movie. You can just rewind it by sliding the bar to the left or by clicking on the back button. Yes. Or you can just go also to individual pictures and see how they look like. And you can also go picture by picture with the buttons. With the two black buttons in the middle, you can just go picture by picture.
Yeah.
So for this measurement, it's not very spectacular with the movie because it's a static sound we are playing. So yeah, this is not the best measurement for displaying the movie control thing. But the basics and the idea and how to control it is getting clear here, I think. Okay. Okay. What I can also show you is the local sound feature. So what we mean with local sound is listening to one specific pixel, and then you will get the sound of this pixel, and all the surrounding sound is damped away by our software. So this is quite nice. Can you go to the second picture again, to the result with the EVOB algorithm, the second one?
What's the one?
No, the one below that with EVOB. This one, yes.
This one.
This one, yes. Yeah. If you make a right click on the acoustic picture, on the acoustic picture, right click. Yes. You see, you can set local sound left and local sound right. So yes, it doesn't matter. Just pick one, local sound right or left. And now you have a microphone which you can move, and for example, place it to the red hotspot. Yes. And now you can maybe just make a right click again and select the other microphone. And place this one maybe on the red hotspot. Yes, very nice. Well done. And on the right side now, next to the movie control, we have the local sound section. Right from the movie control. Right to the movie control.
Yeah.
Yes, and then to the right.
To the right.
Local sound, yes. You see there's a calculator, so first we have to calculate the local sound. Click this one, yes. Yes, and then just OK. So now the local sound is calculated, and now by clicking on the speaker button, you can play it.
This one.
No, the button with the speaker. One more right. To the right. This one, yes. So this is just white noise what we have played here in this measurement. And this was the sound from both positions. What you can also now do is with the balance slider, you can just listen to the left sound or to the right sound. So if you move the balance slider to the left completely, more to the left, to the very far left.
Very far left.
Yes. No, one more to the left. So it's 0.
0.
Yeah. Yes. Now it's only left. Okay, play again. Yes, so this is just white noise, very noisy, and if you move it to the very right, you hear this is also white noise, so it's the same sound, but the level here is lower. And this is also what you see in the results, that the level from the from the two speakers at the outside is lower. We have also a specific demo measurement for the local sound, where we have different voices playing at different positions. So this is also very nice. I'm not sure if I shared that with you, but I can share that with you, and then you can also play with that again there, and you will hear that different people are talking different languages if you position the microphones on the right spot. Okay. Any questions to local sound?
No.
Good. Ting, how were you able to connect the SoundCam?
So can I connect to our hub or directly connect to the computer? Because
both is possible. You can connect it to the hub or to the PC directly. Both is possible.
Yes.
Perfect. Good. Then please close a noise inspector and start the SoundCam streaming.
Noise inspector.
Yes, you can close the noise inspector, and we will move to the SoundCam streaming software.
SoundCam streaming. Hello? Yes.
Yeah.
Brand new one. 随便 S2 2。你刚才不是有吹你一个吗？是不是有？
有，有没有不一样？
Yeah.
Good. Okay. And then you see on top there is not connected, so it couldn't find the SoundCam yet. If you make a right click there, click on rescan.
No kann.
Ting, can you show me the SoundCam? Where is it at the moment? Which menu is it? Can you show it in the camera? Yeah, you have to stay on the main screen. Can you close this window?
Yes.
And just leave it there, okay?
Okay.
Don't touch. This is the right screen. Can you try again?
Try again.
to scan?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect.
And then?
It will try to connect now, see if possible. Yes. Good. Okay. And now, if you want to record something, you just click on the red button.
Red button.
Okay. So depending on the configuration, the software will react. So here is a pre-trigger time of 2 seconds already set up, and now you have to really start the recording with the sum button. So if you click on the button next to it.
This one.
This one, yes. So that's it. Now the recording was taken. These were 5 seconds now to with 5 seconds recording with 2 seconds of pre-trigger time, and then 3 seconds after the trigger you've released, and the file is automatically saved. So we have a recording already. Now this is good. What we can do now is go into the settings and just see, so you see how you can change the recording time. So if you go into the settings, yes, this one, perfect. Then you see what I've just told you, that we have a record length of 5 seconds with 2 seconds pre-trigger and 3 seconds post-trigger. Autosave is not on, so it's not saved yet. But you can change that here for the next measurement. So you can change that according to your need. Do you need a pre-trigger time, or do you just need a 10-second recording post-trigger? So this can be adjusted here, and you can yes, autosave. Activating it makes a lot of sense. Okay. So and when you're happy, you can just click on OK. And now we could take another recording, for example, with your settings. So you've activated autosave now, so if you make another recording, okay, so this is a recording you have taken now, and now we could go back to Noise Inspector and to have a look in this recording.
Noise Inspector.
Yes, if you go to project, can you just open once more the streaming app? I'm not sure whether files are being saved now. Just open the streaming app software again. Where it's project setup. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, now everything is clear to me. So a project, and then we need to open the project setup. So yes, project open. Select setup.
Training. Setup.
Okay. And now if you go to the project again, so to the project manager. Yes. Right click. New set. Measurement. Yes. Choose what? Yes. There should be a yes. Training 2. This is a folder. Yes, and then you can select the measurement we have taken. Okay. Very good. You're a quick learner. Great. Double click on it to open it.
Okay.
No, double click. Yes, and this is the recording you have taken, the 5 seconds, and here you can drag and drop a picture again.
Good,
yeah. What I would probably recommend is, because Ting was walking, so you should probably make the time short, because if you make a picture over yeah. You can also, you can also delete pictures. Yes. Oh, you're a pro already. Very good. Yes. Yeah.
我知道，但是不好搭。
Okay, yeah. So this frequency range is quite a bit low, but we will try. See what the result will be. Okay, yeah, try to run that. Just click on OK.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, OK. And click on OK again.
Calculate.
Yes, calculate. Yes. So I think we have. You see the distance is set to 1 meter. So I think the distance is probably incorrect. We have to correct it. So if you go there, you can correct the distance.
没有，会议已经结束。他叫你有个 distance。为什么？啊，他会议只有60分钟。